This video explores appropriate process in decision-making. It assumes you already know about the decision chain, the 6 essential elements of a quality decision, where your decision is only as strong as its weakest link. A common misconception is that the chain is the process. It's not. The process is how you ensure you have a high-quality decision. Imagine you're a food critic. When the meal arrives, you judge food quality based on criteria like taste, presentation, and ingredients. How the meal came together, however, is outside your view. Wouldn't you like to know the process was healthy? We talk about appropriate process because a decision's importance should align with the process. A small decision should get less attention, a big decision more. And yet common decision traps include putting a lot of attention on smaller things that are not worth the anxiety, or going with your gut in the face of big, complex decisions. We want our decision reflexes to make sure the process fits the decision. In-the-moment decisions of high importance, like emergencies, are a special case. That's where first responders are trained to take optimal actions. Experts have decided what to do ahead of time. Policies are in place. Then they train and practice until habit forms. In a similar way, the decision chain can be a checklist. Just taking the time to stop and think can avoid disaster. When there's more time, here are the steps of a complete process. First, recognize and declare the decision. Take it on. Be clear about the frame. The right solution to the wrong problem can waste a lot of energy. Then build the decision basis, the values, what you want, alternatives, what you can do, and information, what you can know. Using sound reasoning, you can evaluate your options to identify the alternative that gets you the most of what you want, given what you can know. This gets you to a rough draft decision where you can evaluate the strength of the decision chain, check for decision traps, and a balance of head and heart. If there's room for improvement, cycle back and focus effort where it's needed, or commit and follow through, confident you've done your best. While we can't know the future, an appropriate decision process ensures our decision is as good as it can be at the time we make it, acknowledging trade-offs and facing the uncertainty in the outcome with resolve.